I'm one and only Lizzy Anjorin Lawal, a business mogul, an actress. That small girl, that's all.
There is this particular name. I'm trying to remember. Is it Egomidogo?
Yep, thank you. Thank you. Egomidogo.
Yeah. All right. Briefly, Ma, can you please tell us little about how you started? Just little. Just little.
We just started. Alhamdulillah. If you ask anybody about life, either you are working or not, you are hardworking or you are lazy. Of course, we all have stories. But it's kind of rough, tough. But alhamdulillah, we are doing well. But it has not been, what they promised us as a baby. They didn't tell us when we grow up we are going to hustle.
As I very honest with you, when I got to this place, it's really a massive one.
Oh, this turning place.
This is a massive one.
This Ilya Berewo.
I have to be honest with you. So, but when was this vision? Because I used to know you as an entrepreneur, a very businesswoman. You sell land, you sell cream, I follow you bumper to bumper. So, when do you have the insight of this vision of what you just do?
Number one, it's not easy out there on the street. A lot of sleepless nights. At times, you go through a lot. And as a business mogul, you have this vision that so time, I want to do this. So time, I want to achieve this. And within that period, let me say it's God. It's not my hard work. It's not because I'm being smart. It's not because the wisdom is there. We have millions of people out there. They are smarter than me. They are beautiful than me. The knowledge is there. The energy is times 100 of mine. Let me say it's God. Vision, it's something of a priority to me.
You're watching GboahTv. Kindly subscribe to our YouTube channel for more videos. Click on the subscribe button down below and the bell beside it. This will notify you once we drop a new video.